Hello and welcome to today's video with the theme L-Arginin. L-Arginin is a semi-essential amino acid that is important for the body. It is primarily produced in the kidneys, but can also be obtained through diet. L-Arginin has many important functions in the body, including the production of nitric oxide, regulating blood pressure, and supporting the immune system. One of the most significant benefits of L-Arginin is promoting blood flow. It helps to widen blood vessels and increase blood flow, resulting in improved oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells. This can be particularly beneficial for people with cardiovascular conditions, as it may reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. L-Arginin can also help to improve physical performance. It is thought to increase nitric oxide production in the body, which improves blood flow and increases muscle energy. This can help athletes improve their performance and build muscle faster. Another benefit of L-Arginin is that it may promote wound healing. It is thought to improve blood flow and oxygen supply to wounds, resulting in faster healing. It may also help to reduce the formation of scars. L-Arginin is also important for male fertility. It helps to increase sperm production and volume, and can improve the quality of sperm and reduce the risk of miscarriage. It is important to note that L-Arginin may not be suitable for everyone. It may interact with certain medications and should not be taken without medical supervision. People with heart conditions should be particularly cautious and consult with their doctor before taking L-Arginin. There are various ways to take L-Arginin. One option is to take L-Arginin supplements in the form of capsules or powders. It can also be found in foods such as meat, fish, nuts, and seeds. However, it is important to note that the amount of L-Arginin found in foods is usually not sufficient to achieve the health benefits that can be achieved with supplements. In summary, L-Arginin is an important amino acid that offers many potential health benefits. However, it should be taken under medical supervision and may not be suitable for everyone. It is important to have a balanced diet and ensure that the body receives all necessary nutrients.